This problem is asking me to find the distance between the points, but to do it in decimal form, not radical form. So to do that, I'm going to have to use my distance formula, and my distance formula says the distance is the square root between, let's put this together here. Okay, it's the difference between my x points, so that's x2 minus x1, and the difference between my y points, y2 minus y1. So there's my distance formula. Now let's put in what these particular points are. This one down here, and this one up here. So for this one, it's going to be -3, -2, and for this one it's going to be 2, 1. Okay, so now I've just got to plug them into here. So my distance equals let's put in our values here. So for this one I've got -3 minus 2, and for our blue I've got -2 minus 1. Okay, let's solve this. So the distance equals -3 minus 2 is -5, that's going to be squared, plus -2 minus 1 is -3, that's going to be squared. So the distance equals the square root of 25 plus 9, which is the same thing as the square root of 34. Now again, it's asking me to round my answer to the nearest tenth if necessary, so I know the square root of 34 is about equal to, if I just put it into a calculator, is it about equal to 5.83 ... it goes on forever. And so if I'm going to round to my nearest tenth, that tells me this is my tenths place, and this point right here is 4 or less, so it's going to round to 5.8 is my final answer.